In this video, I am going to show you what is snooze in Facebook. How to snooze a person, page or group on Facebook. Let's go to Facebook. Snoozing a profile, page or group prevents you from seeing their post in your feed for 30 days. The profile, page or group you have snoozed won't know that they have been snoozed. You can only snooze someone from a post in your feed. Go to the post or go to the person. From the post, tap on the three dot in the top right of the post in your feed. Click snooze beside the name of the person for 30 days. At the bottom, you will find the second last one is snooze. Tap on it. To immediately undo snooze for 30 days, click undo in the confirmation message. By this way, you can snooze any profile, page or group and customize your Facebook feed. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope this video was very helpful for you. Please give a like and subscribe the channel if you don't yet. Share this video to your friends so that they can also get benefit from it. Thanks for watching.